With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question says, why do we use cooking utensils made up of copper? Okay, so for cooking, what kind of utensils do we need? So the utensils, yes, so the utensils should be good conductor of heat. Yes, why do they need to be good conductor of heat? Because heating food makes the cooking fast, right? So if there is more heat, then it will cook fast. If there is less heat, then it will take more amount of time. So for there to be more heat, the utensil that we cook the food in should be a good conductor. Okay, and therefore copper is a good conductor. Why? Because it is a metal. Therefore copper is a good conductor of heat. Yes, because it is a good conductor, so it passes the heat from the utensil to the food very fast, and therefore the cooking becomes fast. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.